Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Lawade. Today is 4th of April 2022 and the topic for the today's video is what is Java and its feature. This is my original video in this particular topic. Now let's see what is Java and its features in detail. Firstly, we will see its definition of Java. Java is a class-based, object-oriented, high-level, secure, static and robust programming language. Since Java has its own runtime environment and tools, it is also a platform. Java is based on C and C++ language. It uses bottom-up approach. It generates source file extension is .java and it generate the file that is .class file. It does not support the pointer system because of security. It is a dynamic language. It is a platform independent. It is mainly used for web-based application, for games, for enterprise application, etc. Java was developed by Sun Microsystem, which is now the subsidiary of Oracle. Java was designed by James Gosling and his friend named Patrick Norton and Mike Sheridan. They initiated the Java project in the year 1991 and was released in the year 1995. The small team of Sun Microsystem engineers are called Green Team. Before Java, its name was Oak. Now we will see the features of Java. There are many features of Java such as it is simple, object-oriented, portable, platform independent, it is multi-threaded, dynamic, high performance, architecture neutral, robust, secured, etc. Now we will see the details or some of the features in details. First, simple. Java is a very simple, easy to learn. Its syntax is clean, easy, and simple to understand. According to Sun Microsystem, Java language is a simple programming language because Java syntax is based on the C++, which is so easier for programmer to learn it after the C++. Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features, for example, explicit pointer, overload operator, etc. There is no need of remove of unreferenced object because there is an automatic garbage collector in Java. Now the second one is object oriented. Java is a purely object oriented programming language. Everything is Java is an object. Object oriented means we can organize our software so as the combination of different types of objects that incorporate both data and behavior. Now the third one is dynamic. Java is a dynamic language. It supports the dynamic loading of classes. It means it supports the dynamic loading on demand, or the classes loaded on demand. Now it also supports the functions from native languages, that is C and C++. Now moving towards the fourth features of Java is multi-threading. A thread is like a separate program executing concurrently. We can write the Java programs that makes multiple tasks at once by defining multi-threading. The main advantage of multi-threading is that it does not occupy memory for each thread. It shares the common memory area. Now the next is distributed. Java is distributed because it facilitates the user to create distributed application. EJB and RMI are used for creating distributed applications. These features of Java makes us able to access the file by calling the method from the machines to the internet. Now the next features of Java is high performance. The Java is a faster programming language other than as compared to the other interpreted programming language, because the Java bytecode is close to the native code. And also Java is very little bit slower than the compiled language, example C++, because Java is an interpreted language, whereas other are the compiled language. So it is a little bit slower than the compiled language. Now the next one, the next feature of the Java is architecture neutral. Java is an architecture neutral because there are no implementation dependent feature, that is, for example, the size of primitive data type is fixed. For example, in C++, it occupies in data type occupies 2 byte of memory for 32-bit architecture and 4 byte of memory for 64-bit architecture. However, in Java, it occupies 4 byte of memory in for both 32 and 64-bit architecture. Now, this is all about the features of Java, and we will conclude that the Java is a most popular and widely used, simple, fast and efficient programming language. This is the we will see we are discussing in the video. Thank you.